Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. Today we're at this lovely cafe, and we're going to talk about one of my favorite things, ordering food and coffee in English.
That's right. Whether you're at a cafe, a restaurant, or even ordering food online, knowing how to ask for what you want and understanding the menu is super important. Today, we're going to cover everything from simple phrases to some useful vocabulary that will help you order food like a pro.
Exactly. I don't know about you, but I'm already hungry just thinking about all the delicious options. Let's take a look at the menu.
Oh, I'm so ready for this. The menu here is full of great choices. There's coffee, sandwiches, pastries, and even some smoothies. I'm definitely going for a coffee, but I haven't decided if I want a latte, cappuccino, or just a regular black coffee. What about you, Ben?
I think I'll go for a latte today. I'm feeling something creamy and comforting. And I'm definitely going to order a croissant to go with it. It's my favorite thing to have with coffee.
Oh, a croissant sounds perfect. I'm debating between the muffins and the bagel. The muffins here look so fresh, but I do love a good cream cheese bagel. Decisions.
I know, right? So many choices. All right, I think we're ready to order. Let's go up to the counter and practice how to order our food and drinks in English.
Okay, so here we are. When you're ordering food, there are a few helpful phrases you can use. First, you can say, I'd like or I'll have to tell the person what you want. For example, I'd like a cappuccino, please, or I'll have a muffin.
Great tip. And don't forget to use please when you're ordering. It's polite and it makes you sound more friendly. Like, I'd like a cappuccino, please. Or, could I have a croissant, please?
Exactly. And if you want to ask about the menu or what they recommend, you can say, what do you recommend? Or what's your specialty? For example, what's your most popular drink? Or what's the house specialty?
Oh, I like that. Asking for recommendations is a great way to learn about the best options. You could also say, what's the freshest pastry today, if you're feeling a little adventurous.
Good one. And when you're ordering a drink, you'll want to specify how you like it. For example, can I have a latte with skim milk? Or I'd like my coffee black, please.
Right. And don't forget about sizes. You can ask, what size does the latte come in? Is it small, medium, or large? Or if you're ordering something cold, like a smoothie, you might want to say, I'll have a medium smoothie, please.
Great point. And if they offer you something you don't want, you can politely say, no thank you, or I'm fine with just water. For example, if they ask you if you want any sugar, you can say, no, I'm good thanks. I prefer it black.
Haha. Yep. And remember, if you want to customize your order, don't be afraid to ask. Can I get it with almond milk instead of regular milk? Or can I add a shot of vanilla syrup to my coffee?
Exactly. It's always nice to customize your order to fit your tastes. And if you're unsure about something on the menu, don't be afraid to ask, what's in the signature blend? Or what's the difference between the muffins and the croissants?
That was fun. Now we've got our coffee and croissants. I can't wait to dig in. So, how do you feel about ordering in English now?
I feel confident. I think the key is to practice these phrases and get used to asking for exactly what you want. And being polite goes a long way.
Right. And the more you practice ordering in English, the easier it becomes. And you're not just talking about the words, but the tone too. Being friendly and clear is important.
Right. And if you ever feel unsure, it's okay to ask, "Can you please repeat that?" Or, "Could you please explain the menu to me?"
Perfect. These little phrases will really help you feel more comfortable ordering in English, whether you're at a cafe, a restaurant, or even ordering food online.
And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice ordering in English, the more natural it will feel. You'll soon be able to order confidently in any situation.
Well, that's it for today's podcast. We hope you enjoyed learning some useful phrases and vocabulary for ordering food and coffee in English.
Yes, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We've got more fun lessons and adventures coming your way.
And leave us a comment below. Tell us what your favorite coffee or pastry is and how you like to order it.
Thanks so much for joining us today, and we hope these tips help you feel more confident the next time you're ordering at a cafe or restaurant.
Take care, everyone, and keep practicing your English in fun ways.
Bye for now. See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.